warm welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studios, your trusted companion in navigating the wonderful world of home design and decor. Today, we're turning our expert lens towards the two-bedroom cottage house design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. In an era where efficiency, comfort, and character are highly prized, the humble cottage, reimagined for modern living, offers an irresistible blend of intimacy and idyllic charm. Let's begin by unpacking the essence of a two-bedroom cottage house design. At its core, a cottage traditionally refers to a small, often charming, dwelling that evokes a sense of rustic simplicity and cozy comfort. The two-bedroom specification, of course, denotes a home designed specifically to accommodate two distinct sleeping areas. While cottages have historical roots as modest, rural abodes, the modern two-bedroom cottage house design transcends this historical context. It's about creating a compact yet highly functional and aesthetically pleasing home that prioritizes smart use of space, warmth, and character. A two-bedroom cottage design can be a primary residence for singles, couples, or small families, a charming vacation retreat, or even a highly functional guest house. It represents a deliberate choice for those who value quality over quantity, and who seek a home that is both practical and profoundly charming. It's about living well within a thoughtfully designed, intimate space. Designing a two-bedroom cottage to be both highly functional and aesthetically pleasing is an art form that focuses on smart space utilization and charming details. Here's how you can make your cottage truly beautiful. 1. Maximize natural light. This is paramount in a smaller home. Install large windows, and consider French doors or sliding glass doors leading to outdoor areas. Strategic placement allows light to penetrate deep into the home, making spaces feel larger and more open. Use light-colored window treatments or none at all where privacy allows. 2. Embrace open-concept living. With zones. While you have two bedrooms, the main living areas often benefit from an open-plan layout connecting the living room, dining area, and kitchen. This creates a sense of spaciousness. However, define these zones with clever furniture arrangements, area rugs, and thoughtful lighting to maintain functionality and prevent the space from feeling like one large room. 3. Choose a light and airy color palette. Opt for whites, creams, soft grays, and pale pastels on walls and larger furniture pieces. These colors reflect light, make rooms appear larger, and create a serene, cohesive backdrop. Introduce pops of color through artwork, throw pillows, and decorative accessories. 4. Incorporate multifunctional furniture and smart storage. Every piece of furniture should earn its keep. Think ottomans with storage, sofa beds, nesting tables, and built-in shelving. Vertical storage, like tall bookcases or floor-to-ceiling cabinetry, is invaluable. Clever nooks can become reading spots or small home offices. 5. Layer textures and natural materials. To add depth and warmth to a light palette, introduce a variety of textures. Think chunky knit throws, linen curtains, woven baskets, and natural wood furniture. Materials like exposed brick, shiplap, or reclaimed wood accents can add character and a rustic touch. 6. Create a strong indoor-outdoor connection. Cottages truly shine when they blend seamlessly with their surroundings. Design inviting porches, patios, or decks accessible from living areas or even bedrooms. Use consistent flooring materials from indoors to outdoors, where practical, to enhance this flow. Landscaping plays a crucial role in framing the house and extending living spaces. 7. Pay attention to architectural details. Small details make a big difference in a cottage. Consider unique window trims, charming front doors, exposed beams, or a decorative fireplace. These elements add character and elevate the design beyond mere functionality. 8. Scale down furniture. Avoid oversized furniture that can overwhelm a compact space. Opt for pieces that are proportionate to the room size, allowing for comfortable movement and maintaining an open feel. Now, let's explore 10 enchanting two-bedroom cottage house design ideas. each offering a unique interpretation of cozy living and charming aesthetics. One, the classic storybook cottage. This design evokes a whimsical, almost fairy tale quality. It often features steeply pitched gabled roofs, sometimes with flared eaves, stucco or stone siding, and perhaps an arched front door. Windows are often multi-paned with charming details. The emphasis is on unique, handcrafted elements and a cozy, inviting atmosphere, perfect for a quaint rural setting or a garden oasis. 2. The modern coastal cottage. This bright and airy design combines cottage charm with a breezy, seaside aesthetic. It typically features crisp white shiplap or clapboard siding, light-colored metal roofs, and large windows to maximize natural light and capture views. Interiors are open and bathed in light, with natural wood accents, rattan furniture, and a palette of whites, blues, and sandy tones, creating a relaxed and sophisticated beach house feel. 3. The rustic farmhouse cottage, a blend of country charm and compact living. This design often incorporates natural wood siding, perhaps board and batten, stone accents, and a metal roof. A generous covered front porch with simple wood posts is a common feature. Interiors are warm and inviting with exposed beams, perhaps a stone fireplace, and comfortable, sturdy furnishings, embodying a timeless, down-to-earth appeal. 4. The Scandinavian minimalist cottage, clean lines, functional design, and an abundance of natural light define this style. The exterior might feature dark or light timber cladding, simple forms, and large, unadorned windows. Interiors are bright, with white walls, light wood floors, and minimalist furnishings, creating a serene and highly efficient living space that feels calm and uncluttered, perfect for quiet retreats. 5. The urban chic cottage, designed for smaller city lots. This two-bedroom cottage maximizes vertical space and utilizes smart, contemporary materials. It might feature a mix of stucco and sleek dark siding, with a flat or low-pitched roof. The interior is often multi-level, with open tread stairs, and focuses on efficient, high-end finishes, turning a compact space into a stylish urban oasis. A small, private courtyard often replaces a traditional yard. 6. The Arts and Crafts Cottage, drawing inspiration from the early 20th century movement. This cottage emphasizes natural materials, honest craftsmanship, and integrated design. Expect low-pitched roofs with wide eaves, exposed rafter tails, and sturdy, often tapered, porch columns. Materials like wood siding, brick, and stone are common. Interiors feature built-in elements, natural wood trim, and a focus on handcrafted details, creating a harmonious and enduring aesthetic. 7. The eclectic boho cottage. This design embraces a playful mix of textures, colors, and global influences. The exterior might be painted a vibrant color or feature a mix of materials, with a quirky front door. Interiors are rich with patterned textiles, vintage finds, plants, and art, creating a unique and personal haven that feels well-traveled and creatively inspired. The two-bedroom layout allows for a dedicated guest room or creative studio. 8. The compact A-frame cottage. While unique, the A-frame is an iconic cottage style that works wonderfully as a two-bedroom home, often with a second bedroom and a loft. Its distinctive triangular shape allows for soaring ceilings and dramatic window walls that capture stunning views. Typically constructed with wood and large glass panels, it offers a raw, natural aesthetic and a profound connection to its surroundings, ideal for vacation homes or mountain getaways. 9. The English countryside cottage. This charming design harks back to traditional English rural homes. It often features stone or brick facades, steep pitched roofs with chimneys, multi-paned windows, and a quaint, sometimes slightly overgrown, garden. Interiors are cozy with fireplaces, exposed beams, and comfortable, perhaps slightly antique, furnishings, creating a timeless, romantic, and deeply comforting atmosphere. 10. The Sustainable Eco Cottage, prioritizing environmental responsibility. This two-bedroom design incorporates green building practices. It might feature reclaimed materials, passive solar design for heating and cooling, rainwater harvesting, and renewable energy sources like solar panels. The aesthetic is often minimalist and natural, blending seamlessly with the landscape, proving that eco-friendly living can be both beautiful and comfortable within a compact footprint. As we conclude our delightful journey through the world of two-bedroom cottage house designs, it's evident that these charming homes offer so much more than just a place to live. They represent a conscious choice for a life defined by comfort, efficiency, and a deep appreciation for curated spaces. From their inviting facades to their thoughtfully designed interiors, cottages prove that elegance and functionality can thrive beautifully within a compact footprint. At Homes Inspiration Studios, we believe that every home, regardless of its size, holds the potential for extraordinary design. We hope this exploration has inspired you to envision the possibilities that a two-bedroom cottage can offer, whether as your primary residence, a peaceful retreat, or a welcoming space for loved ones. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to continuing to inspire your home design adventures. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best two-bedroom cottage house design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.